Tired of juggling messy spreadsheets and chasing after payments? Let's ditch the chaos and dive into the simple way to send professional invoices directly from your phone using the PayPal mobile app. First, open the PayPal app on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see a few options. Look for the request button near the bottom and tap on it. A panel of options will pop up. From these options, tap on Create an Invoice. Now, you're looking at a blank invoice template ready for customization. At the top, you can add your business logo to give your invoice a professional touch and ensure your business name and contact information are accurately displayed. Next, you'll need to fill in your customer's email address or name to send it directly to them. Now for the important part, adding the details of the products or services you provided. Tap on the item field and enter a clear description of each item, along with the quantity and price. The app will automatically calculate the subtotal. Scroll down to specify payment terms and the due date. Clearly state how you prefer to be paid and when you expect payment. This helps avoid confusion and ensures timely payments. Before sending, take a moment to preview your invoice to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, tap the send button, and that's it. Your invoice is on its way. You can easily track the status of your invoices within the PayPal app, seeing when they've been sent, view, and pay. And because it's PayPal, payments are processed securely and directly into your account. Using the PayPal mobile app lets you create and send professional invoices from anywhere, at any time.